In this video, we'll be finding the curve of best fit for an exponential equation given. So the question is to find the least square geometric curve y is equal to ax power b for the following data. The data is given here. So our first step would be writing the equation given. So y is equal to ax power b. And then the next step would be taking log on both sides. So log to the base e into y, log y to the base e is equal to log a to the base e plus log x power b to the base e. So you can bring b down, so it will be log y is equal to log a plus b into log x. Now consider this as capital Y, consider this as capital A, plus b you write it as it is, and this as capital X. So you get an equation y is equal to a plus b into capital X. So this would be our second equation. Now writing normal equations for this, summation y is equal to na plus b summation x. Third equation, similarly summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. Now that we have got the equations, we need to compute a table and then solve these equations. So the tables will have first x and y values. X would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Followed by that we have to find the value of capital X here, right? So capital X is small log x to the base e. So in Calc you can press ln button for computing this value. Okay, similarly small y values which we have given, which they have given, you write it here, and here again capital Y is equal to log y to the base e. Okay, so you have got x, you can get summation x value, summation y value. Now you need summation xy and x square. So xy write and x square also write it here. So now once you compute the values, once you put the values in Calc, you get the answer as 0, 0.6931, 1.0986, 1.3862 and 1.6094. Adding up all this, you get it as 4.7873. And similarly, if you substitute the values of y in Calc, you get capital Y values, that is minus 0.6931, 0.6931, 1.504, 2.079, and here 2.525. And if you add up all this, you'll get 6.1092. Similarly, compute the values of x and y and x square also. So now that we have got all the required values, let's substitute it in the given equation, obtained equations. So in the third equation, if you substitute, you'll get it as 6.1092 is equal to 5a plus 4.7873 small b. In fourth equation, if you fill the values, you'll get 9.0804 is equal to 4.7874a plus 6.1993b. Solving these two simultaneous equations in Calc, you get capital A value as minus 0.6931 and small b value as 2. Now that you have got capital A value, you should find out the small a value. Here small a is equal to e to the power a. So small a can be written as e to the power minus 0.6931, that is 0.5. So you have got small a value and small b value. Substitute it in the first equation. So writing first equation, y is equal to ax power b can be rewritten as y is equal to 0.5 x square. So this is the best fit curve This is the best fit equation obtained for an exponential curve. I hope you have understood how to solve this question or similar type questions. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.